Picture this. In the not so distant past, a young filmmaker dreams of creating epic narratives, landscapes that stretch beyond the horizon, and characters as diverse as the stars above. Yet the reality of budget constraints, limited resources, and the sheer complexity of video production keep those dreams grounded. Fast forward to today, and the landscape of video creation has undergone a transformation as monumental as the shift from silent films to talkies. Enter the era of Google Lumiere, a beacon of innovation in the AI-generated video domain. Our story begins in a world where the power to create is no longer confined to those with access to Hollywood-level resources. Imagine with a few keystrokes or a simple image, bringing to life scenes that once existed only in the imagination. This isn't fancy, it's the reality offered by Google Lumiere and its contemporaries in the AI video generation space, like Runway Gen-2 and the Pika 1.0. But what sets Lumiere apart in this crowded field of digital alchemist? Is it its advanced pace, time you next architecture, its ability to weave coherent narratives from mere text, or the sheer realism it injects into every frame? Today, we embark on a journey not just through the pixels and algorithms that define Lumiere, but also through the ethical mazes, the creative possibilities, and the future it heralds for filmmakers, content creators, educators, and dreamers across the globe. As we dive into the depths of what makes Google Lumiere a groundbreaking tool in AI video generation, we will explore how it compares to its predecessors, the potential it unlocks, and the ethical considerations it brings to the forefront. So before we move on, just a quick info for you. If you're one of the aspiring Python enthusiast or AI and ML enthusiast looking for online training and graduating from the best universities, or a professional who elicits to switch careers in Python or AI and ML by learning from the experts, then try giving a shot to Simplilearn's postgraduate program in AI and ML in collaboration with Purdue University and IBM. By enrolling in this certification program, you will gain expertise in skills like generative AI, prompt engineering, ChatGPT, explainable AI, machine learning algorithms, supervised and unsupervised learning, model training and optimization, and there's much more on the list. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and enroll now. And a year of experience is preferred to enroll in these courses. You can find the course link in the description box and pinned comment. So let's get started with Introduction to Lumiere. And we'll search Lumiere AI on Google, and we have the GitHub link here for the Lumiere AI. And you could see that it has been developed by Google Research, and here they have given us the paper to read all the specifications that they have integrated in this AI tool. And after that, they have text to video, but they have generated by giving the prompts, and then image to video. So you can also provide images and the prompts, and this AI tool will generate videos for that. And before coming to these prompts, let's have a catch-up theory for this AI tool. So let's start with the introduction of Lumiere. So Lumiere, in essence, is not just a tool, but a visionary architect of virtual realities. It has been designed to tackle a challenge that has long stood as a barrier to the unfiltered flow of creativity, the creation of AI-generated videos that rival the complexity, depth, and dynamism of the real world. Where predecessors have laid the groundwork, Lumiere aspires to soar, aiming to infuse videos with a level of realism and diversity previously unattainable. This quest for enhanced realism and diversity is not just about improving the quality of visuals or the fluidity of movement. It's about transforming the very fabric of storytelling, enabling creators to weave narratives that are as varied and vibrant as life itself. In a world teeming with stories waiting to be told, Lumiere emerges as a powerful ally, offering creators the keys to unlock unprecedented possibilities in video generation. And you can watch the video that Google Research showcased introducing Lumiere. It's present on the YouTube. So now talking about the evolution of AI in video generation. So Lumiere represents a leap forward in AI video generation. Unlike earlier models, Lumiere employs a space-time STUNet architecture, allowing for the synthesis of videos that are not only realistic but also diverse and coherent over longer sequences. This advancement addresses key challenges that previous models faced, such as maintaining continuity and coherence in generated videos and achieving a higher degree of realism. And the challenges addressed by Lumiere are: Lumiere seeks to overcome several critical challenges that have historically hindered AI in video generation. Number one is realism. Second is diversity, and then we have coherence. So if we talk about the technical overview of this AI model, so at the heart of Google Lumiere, groundbreaking capabilities lies in the space-time UNet, STUNet architecture, a sophisticated framework designed to understand and generate video content. Unlike traditional video editing tools that require manual input for each frame, STUNet automates the process, creating seamless, dynamic videos from simple inputs. But what makes STUNet truly remarkable is its ability to interpret the context and continuity of both space and time within a video. So we'll simplify STUNet without jargon for you guys. Imagine you are painting a picture, but instead of using a brush, you have guided an intelligent robot that predicts and fills in the details as you describe them. STUNet works similarly for videos. It listens to descriptions or looks at an image and then paints a video sequence, predicting how objects and scenes evolve over time. This is achieved through a unique combination of deep learning techniques that understand the nuances of movement and transformation in a three-dimensional space as time progresses. So you could see on the screen that is STUNet architecture. Now we'll see the capabilities of Lumiere. So moving back to the GitHub. So the number one is text to video generation. So Lumiere can transform textual descriptions into captivating video content. So this means you can describe a scene in words and Lumiere will bring it to life in a video, complete with realistic movements and transitions. So here you can see that the first thing they have provided is text to video. And the first prompt is US flag waving on massive sunrise clouds. So you could see that this AI tool has provided the video for this prompt. And the next we have beer pouring into glass. So similarly, if you provide the text, it would convert it to the video, unless we have the AI tool on the web. So we have to wait for that. Till then, we can see what capabilities it has. So then it has image to video generation. So starting with a single image, Lumiere can generate a coherent video sequences, imagining how the scene or subject might move and interact over time. This opens up new possibilities for animating still images in creative and unexpected ways. So you could see here that is image to video. So you can provide any image and just add a prompt, that is sailboat sailing on a sunny day in a mountain lake. So you just have an image that is of a sailboat and you have uploaded the image to this AI tool and provided this prompt. So it will convert it into the video as you can see on the screen. And similarly, you can provide the picture of the panda and you can give it a prompt, a panda bear driving a car. So it will do the same for you and it will provide a video. And then we have stylized generation. So you could provide any style and it will give you all the images according to that style only. So you could see that we have provided an image of this style and we can ask or just write a prompt, a raccoon dancing, and this AI tool will provide the video of a raccoon dancing with the same stylized, with the same styles. And similarly, we have a cat drinking milk from a bowl with the same styles but we have provided to the AI tool. And then we have video stylization. So here you could have the introduction for this AI tool, and here they have also mentioned the space-time UNet architecture. So you could have a view and have a watch what they have for you. And then we have video stylization. So you could provide a source video. So this is the source video, and then you can ask the AI tool and give it a prompt that take this video as a source and made it with the wooden blocks. And you could see the result that this AI tool has provided the same. And similarly, you could provide another prompts and then you can have the other video outputs. And then we have the cinema graphs. In cinema graphs, the Lumiere model is able to animate the content of an image within a specific user provided region. So if you provide an image and you mark the region, that is you have input image and you have masked the image here what is butterfly. So in the output, it will give it an animation to make it a video. So similarly, you could also have the video in painting. So this is the same thing, that if you have any incomplete video or you just want to mask the video, so it will make that video into animation and provide the output video. And you guys will be amazed that this video generation will be done in the 5 seconds. While 5 seconds might not seem like a lot, in the world of AI generated video, it's a significant achievement. So Lumiere's ability to produce 5-second long videos that maintain realism, diversity and coherence throughout is a testament to its advanced understanding of video content. So this capability makes Lumiere an invaluable tool for creating short, impactful videos that can be used across a variety of applications, from social media posts to educational materials. And you can watch the video that Google research team showcased in the introduction of Lumiere. And now talking about the ethical considerations and challenges. So as we marvel at the capabilities of Google Lumiere and the possibilities it opens for content creation, it's important to navigate the ethical terrain that comes with such advancements. AI-generated video content, while revolutionary, raises significant ethical concerns that warrant careful consideration. So these include issues related to misinformation, the creation and spread of deepfakes and copyright infringements. So we hope that we'll find a way to tackle all these ethical considerations. So now let's have comparison with other AI video models. So the other AI video models is Gen-2 Runway. So the field of AI-generated video content is rich and varied, with several groundbreaking models paving the way for advancement in digital storytelling. Among these, Google Lumiere, Runway Gen-2 and Pika 1.0 stand out for their unique contributions. Each model brings its strengths to the table, addressing different needs and challenges in the realm of video production. So we talk about Runway Gen-2. So Runway Gen-2 is renowned for its versatility and user-friendly interface, making it a popular choice among creatives and professionals alike. It supports a wide range of creative tasks, from video editing and animation to machine learning applications. The strength of Runway lies in its accessibility, offering an intuitive platform for users to experiment with AI video generation without needing deep technical knowledge. However, it may not match the specific advancements in video realism and motion coherence that Lumiere focuses on. And then we have Pika 1.0. So Pika 1.0, another notable competitor, excels in generating short video clips from textual descriptions. It's designed to be highly responsive and efficient, enabling users to quickly bring their textual ideas to visual life. While Pika 1.0 offers impressive capabilities in text-to-video synthesis, it might not offer the same level of detail and depth in video generation that Lumiere provides, especially in terms of creating longer, more coherent video sequences. And you can see what Google Lumiere presents to us and what it brings to the table. So Lumiere sets itself apart with its advanced space-time STUNet architecture, enabling the generation of videos that are not only realistic but also display a high degree of diversity and coherence. So Lumiere's focus is on creating seamless video content that can closely mimic real-life scenarios, making it particularly well-suited for applications requiring a high level of detail and realism. And its ability to generate 5-second long videos that maintain consistency and quality throughout is a testament to its advanced capabilities. So this is what that sets Lumiere apart from all the other competitors. So with this guys, we have come to the end of this session, and there you have it. If you like this session, then like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, then you can drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.